So welcome to another Machine Monday. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about collaborative robots and give you my take on collaborative robots. The collaborative robots have been around for a while now, and there was a lot of hype around their effectiveness in production lines. And although in my opinion I think they've been relatively successful, and I think the main driver for their success has not been the collaborative nature of the robots, but really how these robots have been designed to be quickly implemented and easily implemented. Typical collaborative robots, you don't really need to go on a 3-week course to understand how to program a robot. Pretty much anyone who's got a technical background can actually implement and deploy a collaborative robot, which has been really amazing to see. But the real driver and the ideas around collaborative robots, where they interact with humans, in my opinion, hasn't been successful. And part of that is because in order for a robot to be actually safe while it's moving, it actually has to move pretty slow. And I've seen multiple occasions where collaborative robots have actually been deployed and it's actually slowed production down. And so I've had a 50-50 opinion on collaborative robots. I like the fact that they're really easy to implement. However, the collaborative nature hasn't yet been fulfilled in my opinion, until now, I think. And what we've tried to do from our perspective is really try and identify what is the challenge around the collaborative nature of, or what's missing around the collaborative nature of robots. And what we believe is that the robots aren't able to adapt to the current situation. And so what we've been developing in our R&D division at Jendamark is these smart AI systems that help support the control of a robot. And what I'd like to demo for you here is a very simple example where we've actually got 3 machine learning algorithms running together in collaboration with a robot that allow me to interact in an adaptive, collaborative way with the robot. So what you see over here is a collaborative robot from one of our partners, Dobot. We've also got a vision control system that is able to detect my hand and how I move my hand. We've got a vision control system that's able to detect the noughts and crosses game that I'm going to play with the robot. And then we've got another AI in the background actually playing the noughts and crosses game. And I'd like to demo that for you now. I obviously let the robot win, but we've actually had multiple people play the game and nobody has actually won the noughts and crosses against the robot. But what we believe is, from a practical perspective, the real opportunity with collaborative robots is actually building these smart AI capabilities on top of the robot, so that the robot is able to adapt and really adjust the process and the sequence in which it operates in, based on what the operator is actually doing. Here's another Machine Monday.